Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials. You are signed into your Apple ID, Bluetooth and location are enabled, and your iPhone runs a compatible iOS version. Once done, bring the AirTag within 1 to 3 meters of the phone, proximity speeds discovery. Make sure the AirTag has a fresh battery, then open the Find My app and go to Items. Tap the plus sign and choose Add Item to begin the Reconnect process. Don't skip the proximity and permissions checks. They make the rest possible. Once you tap Add Item and select AirTag, follow the on-screen animation and hold the AirTag near the phone until it appears. If detection fails, make sure Bluetooth is active, then toggle it off and on. Restart the iPhone if needed, because a quick reboot clears many wireless hiccups. If still unrecognized, reset the AirTag. Press and twist the back to remove the battery. Then reinsert and press the battery 5 times until you hear confirmation chimes. Then try pairing again. Complete by assigning a name and confirming the AirTag is linked to your Apple ID. Once paired, check that location updates appear in Find My. If you plan to track a lost item, enable Lost Mode so contacts can reach you if found. Make sure to test with a short walk to confirm updates are live. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip is to update iOS and temporarily remove or disable nearby Bluetooth accessories that might interfere with the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.